Let's all meet up in the year 2000. Won't it be strange when we're all fully grown? Soon the clock by the fountain down the road. I never knew that you'd get married. I would be living down here on my own. On that dump and lonely Tuesday years ago. To get breath, and mine said that you were the best. Oh, the boys all loved you, but I was a mess. I had to watch them try and get you undressed. We were friends, I was as far as it went. I had to walk you home sometimes, but it meant, oh, it meant nothing to you. Popular, Deborah, to you. Your house was very small, with a red shit on the wall. When I came down to call, I didn't notice me at all. I promise I can play the guitar. Let's all meet up in the year 2000. Won't it be strange when we're all fully grown? Be there 2 o'clock by the fountain down the road. I never knew that you'd get married. I would be living down here on my own. All night down the lonely Thursday years ago. What are you doing Sunday, baby? Would you like to come and meet me, baby? You can't even bring your baby. What are you doing Sunday, baby? Would you like to come and meet me, baby? You can't even bring your baby. It's happy hour again. Think I might be happy if I wasn't out with her and they're happy. It's a lovely place to be. Happy the Paris in the vomit isn't she? With a haircut, smile, and the meaning in his eyes. A night out with your boss. When you win and you lose, and it's them who choose. If you don't win and you lost, what would the place be? Don't believe her. Speak a different language and it's never really happened for me. Don't believe her, oh no. It's never happy hour again and again and again. Happy hour again and again and again. Let's all meet up in the year 2000. Won't it be strange when we're all fully grown? Be there 2 o'clock by the fountain down the road. I never knew that you'd get married. I would be living down here on my own. All night down for lonely Thursday years ago. Help me out, everyone. What do you do in Sunday, baby? Would you like to come and meet me, baby? You can't even bring your baby. One more. What do you do in Sunday, baby? Would you like to come and meet me, baby? You can't even bring your baby. Thank you.